Omega Network, an innovative proof of networking Layer 1. What is Omega Network? A brief introduction for you to dive into the future of Web3. Welcome to the Omega Network. Here we are going to unfold the box of crypto world with its one glint Omega, and we will use facts, analogies, and examples for you to understand them easily. In this video, we are going to explain to you what the Omega Network is, how does it become popular, and what makes it different. Of course, the tokenomics, Omega Vicens, and future Eplins will all be delivered to you. Let's take a look in the core of Omega Network. Omega Network is an innovative networking Layer 1 blockchain. The program is not just making fancy algorithms and code here. We want to make blockchain part of everyday life. We aim to popularize blockchain, bring blockchain out of the tech labs and into the mainstream, to make it as common as your daily dropout, like morning cups of coffee or afternoon delight with cups of tea. We're pioneering a revolutionary platform where social interactions and monetary transactions blend seamlessly. Imagine a world where you can chat with friends, share updates, make purchases, and even transfer funds, all in one secure, efficient, and user-friendly environment. That's the power of the Omega Network. At the heart of our project, there are three integral components: the Omega Chain, a decentralized identity system, and a universal payment system. Each of these pillars serves to make our vision a reality, providing users with the ability to engage, interact, and transact as we wish. But it's not all tech and transactions. We are building our platform with a strong emphasis on user experience. We want our users to feel at home on the Omega Network and to find it intuitive and enjoyable to use. So, we have taken great care to create an ecosystem that is truly user-centric and decentralized. Welcome aboard the Omega Network. You are now part of an innovative ecosystem that's at the forefront of the blockchain revolution. Now let's explain what have we done. Our users have got hands-on experience with Omega Testnet in the last few months. Within just a month of our testnet going live, we had over 220,000 wallet address created on the chain, and more than 2 million transactions have been made. Our users learn how to claim test tokens, make trades and transfers, form liquidity pools, and view transactions on the chain. At the same time, a range of relative websites and community accounts have been made, gathering all the efforts and hard works our community members have created. From the 2.8 million plus app users to the final TG with 7 mainstream sects. Our internal team and contributors of communities have accomplished way more that we cannot even picture in the front. Over 2 million transactions on our testnet. Enable withdrawal function within the app. Huge amount of a successful public sale, raising records of trading volume on SEX. And there are much more prodigies happening. Now you name it. Now, as we have had a brief look of Omega, here comes the question. How does it become so popular? Omega Network has been smashing the user growth game, and we are now proudly home to 2.8 million users. How did we do it? Well, the secret sauce is its inherently social nature of the platform. It's like a digital version of word of mouth where users bring their friends and family into the Omega family, creating this vibrant, interconnected community. It's like a positive feedback loop. The more people benefit, the more we engage, and the more we engage, the more we benefit. Omega Network have got users all over the globe, and we are planning to bring even more into the fold by growing the Omega on-chain ecosystem. The bigger we get, the more engaged and active our community becomes. It's as simple as that. However, you may start to pause and wondering what makes it different. When we look around the industry, we see that most projects focus on becoming financial institutions or tools. But here at Omega, we take a different approach. It's all about the users first. We are creating a platform that hosts an array of ecosystems to ease Web2 users into the realm of blockchain. A lot of Omega users were completely new to the crypto scene when we first joined Omega Network. We have got this unique recommendation algorithm. Users get to invite their buddies, family, or anyone else we know to join their social circle on Omega, boosting their OMN token mining. Throughout this journey, we are exposed to all sorts of exciting concepts like Bitcoin halving logic, what tokens are, and how to use a blockchain wallet. It's a fantastic way for them to understand why blockchain technology is so secure and traceable. Our aim is not just to elevate the elite but to give everyone, especially the average, an opportunity to ride the wave of global development. That's what sets Omega Network apart. Here we will talk something important. The OMN tokenomics. Omega Network is an innovative social fi solution, crafted to build a robust and engaged blockchain community. Our mission is to drive efficiency, security, scalability, and decentralization in the social ecosystem to new heights. And its native token, OMN, lies at the heart of this, serving as both the governance and utility token. You may ask, what can I do exactly when holding OMN tokens in my pocket? Briefly, participating in the upcoming staking system, single currency OMN staking are eligible for annualized returns. Earnings will be generated from staking reward shares. A fixed number of tokens will be added to the earnings pool each week. Earnings are related to the number of participants. The lower the number of participants in the first period, the bigger the share you can get. So, get your tokens and be the first to participate in staking. OMN holders can also become verifiers to participate in node subscriptions. The user is a pioneer, a contributor using the Omega mobile app, and running the Omega Node software on their desktop or laptop computer. Besides, OMN holders can subscribe to NFT and receive different levels of community participant certificate. The last and not to be overlooked advantage, OMN holders can have the right to vote in the community. The creation of our DAO structure, the Omega DAO, is such an excitement for all users in our communities. It is well known that the total supply of OMN is 970 million tokens. The Omega version 2.0 token economy enables users to reap rewards earlier and fully enjoy the results of their own efforts. Holders have complete ownership of their tokens, which can be freely traded, grant coin holder benefits within the Omega network ecosystem, and serve as DAO voting rights. When we are talking about the future, let's take a look of Omega's roadmap and make a vision. Currently, we have taken a big leap by officially launching Omega Mainnet and providing open access to developer tools. As we move into the next quarter, we are shifting our primary focus onto developing the Mainnet ecosystem. This goes beyond just basic DeFi infrastructure. We are also planning to introduce an NFT marketplace, which we see as a crucial addition to its platform. In tandem with this, improving our decentralized ID system and upgrading our wallet for a more seamless user experience is on the list. Earlier this year, we started preparing for the launch of our Omega Metaverse project, which hopefully will gradually be opening as we wish. In addition to this, we are creating a gaming platform which primarily features free casual games. We still offer high levels of engagement and wider appeal. And there you have it. While we are rushing building more use cases for our ecosystem and take a step back to view all these remarkable achievements, we have a strong will to make Omega Network more efficient and abundant as we always expected. A grant giving support is in the pipeline, and it will likely be settled soon to motivate and enrich our ecosystem, which will make more of us to see the bright after this thrilling tunnel. To learn more about Omega's exciting plans, you can check out our white paper and roadmap on our official website. It's all laid out there for you to explore in detail.